Hi, I'm Jason Barnard. I'm a serial entrepreneur with 3 hugely successful companies under my belt over the last 33 years. In the last 10 years, I've been building Kalicube, a company that's revolutionizing how people and companies manage their brand narrative online. Our approach is absolutely the best for optimizing brand representation on Google and in AI, such as ChatGPT. But this video is supposed to be about my podcast. My podcast was called Branded Search and Beyond, and I was focusing on giving a whole new level of appreciation to the importance of branded search. And to all the guests who shared their insightful nuggets and made the conversation for all 5 seasons intelligent, interesting, and fun, thank you very, very, very much. You were the absolutely most delightful guests. You gave our audience, myself, and the amazing people on Team Kalicube wonderful insights and actionable tips. But now I'm ready to move the conversation forwards and relaunch my podcast. Branded Search and Beyond is now Fastlane Founders and Legacy with Jason Barnard. Each week, I'll sit down with successful entrepreneurs, CEOs, and executives and get them to share how they mastered the delicate balance between rapid growth and enduring success in the business world. This is an amazing opportunity for us all to learn how to accelerate business without sacrificing our souls and build for future stability. How can we quickly build a profitable business that stands the test of time and becomes our legacy, a legacy we're proud of? This is a delightful entrepreneurial leap for me personally, and I'm absolutely sure the new format for my podcast will be great for the guests and incredibly helpful to the audience too. So, if you're building your business to future success as a founder, a CEO, or an executive, here's what you should do right now. Subscribe to Fastlane Founders and Legacy on your podcasting app, or subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notified when the new episodes come out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Your corporate and personal brands are what Google and AI say they are. We can give you back control. Kalicube.